Every vision has its own appointed hour. This idea may seem simple, but it carries profound truth. In life, we all have dreams, desires, and ambitions. We imagine a future filled with the things we want: success, love, health, abundance. Yet, these visions often appear to be distant, far out of reach. We wonder, why haven't they come true yet? Why does it seem like time is slipping away, leaving us with nothing but unfulfilled hopes? The key to understanding this lies in the idea that every vision, every desire, has a precise moment when it will unfold. It's not about pushing or forcing things to happen, it's about understanding the natural rhythm of life and trusting that your dreams will materialize in their own perfect time. The appointed hour is not something we can control, but we can influence our readiness for it. You see, our minds are incredibly powerful. We often underestimate the influence of our thoughts, beliefs, and inner visions. Our subconscious mind works tirelessly, aligning everything in our lives to match our internal state. When we hold a vision of a better future, the universe begins to rearrange itself to bring that vision into reality. But the universe operates on its own schedule, it has its own rhythm. Have you ever found that the moment you stop obsessing over your goals is when things start to fall into place? This is no coincidence. The act of letting go, of surrendering to the flow of life, is what allows your vision to come to life. When you constantly chase after your desires, you may create resistance. But when you allow your vision to grow, patiently and quietly, it will manifest in the time it is meant to. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't stand over it and demand that it grows. You don't rush its growth or force it to sprout faster. Instead, you water it, nurture it, and trust that, in its own time, it will bloom. Your vision works the same way. It requires patience, faith, and the belief that the appointed hour is real. It will happen when the conditions are right, when you are truly ready to receive it. One of the most important steps in this process is understanding the power of your imagination. The visions you hold in your mind are not just fleeting thoughts. They are the blueprints of your future. When you vividly imagine your desires, you are planting those seeds in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. But just as important as planting these seeds is the practice of belief, believing that the vision you hold is possible and will come to fruition in its perfect time. In this process, there is no need for impatience or frustration. You don't need to check on the seed every day to see if it's growing. You simply trust the process and allow it to unfold naturally. The more you trust in the divine timing of your vision, the more it will flow into your life. The universe will not deliver your desires according to your timetable, it will deliver them according to the right moment. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that time is running out or that your dreams are slipping away. We live in a world that values speed, instant gratification, and constant action. But in the realm of creation, things don't happen on a linear timeline. Your vision will unfold in the way that is best for you. Trust that when the appointed hour comes, you will be ready. But how do you prepare for that appointed hour? It begins with the state of mind you cultivate each day. Your inner world shapes your outer reality. When you maintain a state of calmness, peace, and belief, you align yourself with the flow of your vision. You stop trying to force things to happen and allow them to manifest in their own time. This doesn't mean that you stop taking action. Far from it. Taking action is an important part of bringing your vision to life, but it's action that flows from inspiration, not from desperation. When you act from a place of trust and belief, you are in harmony with your vision, and that harmony will draw your desires to you effortlessly. Another key element in this process is letting go of attachment. This can be a difficult one because we often place so much importance on our desires. But when you become too attached to an outcome, you risk creating resistance. Attachment comes from fear, the fear that your dreams may never come true, or that you may not be worthy of them. But when you let go of attachment, you open yourself up to receiving more than you ever thought possible. It's about trusting that whatever is meant for you will come to you in the right way, at the right time. The appointed hour is a time of divine alignment. It is when everything in your life, your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, comes together to create the perfect conditions for your vision to manifest. It is not something you can rush or control, but something you can trust. When you align yourself with the flow of life, when you trust the process and let go of resistance, your vision will arrive at the appointed hour, exactly as it is meant to. This understanding of divine timing is incredibly freeing. It allows you to relax and enjoy the journey, knowing that your dreams are already on their way. In the pursuit of your vision, there will be moments where doubt tries to creep in. You may question whether your dreams are even possible or wonder if it will ever truly come to fruition. These moments are natural, but they are also part of the process. In these moments, it's important to remind yourself that every vision has its own appointed hour, and that hour will arrive when you least expect it. Trusting the timing of your vision doesn't mean sitting idly by while you wait. It means continuing to do the inner work, focusing on the things that bring you joy and fulfillment, and letting go of any need for immediate results. When you stop focusing on the outcome and start living in the present moment, you will find that life starts to unfold in ways you never imagined. Things will align, opportunities will present themselves, and your vision will slowly become a reality. But you must trust that the process is unfolding in its own time. As your vision begins to unfold, you will notice small signs that show you are on the right path. These signs may come in the form of synchronicities, unexpected encounters, or moments of clarity. When you notice these signs, take them as confirmation that your vision is moving forward. Even though you may not have reached the end goal yet, you are making progress. Every step, no matter how small, is a step closer to the appointed hour. There is no need to chase after them or stress over them. When you live in a state of trust and belief, you are naturally in alignment with your desires. And the more you trust, the more easily those desires will flow into your life. At times, it can be challenging to trust the process. We live in a society that values immediate results, and it can be hard to let go of the desire for instant gratification. But true manifestation requires patience. Just like the seed, your vision needs time to grow, and when the appointed hour arrives, you will see the fruits of your labor. So, what can you do to help bring your vision into the world? First, nurture it with love and belief. Tend to it daily by focusing on the feeling of already having what you desire. Let go of any doubts or fears that may arise, and instead, focus on the certainty that your vision will come to pass. Practice patience, and trust that everything is unfolding in its own perfect time. Secondly, take inspired action. This is not about forcing things or trying to control the outcome, but about following the subtle nudges and inspirations that come to you. When you act from a place of trust and alignment, you are simply allowing the universe to guide you toward the fulfillment of your vision. And lastly, let go of attachment. Release the need to control how or when your vision will manifest. Trust that it is already on its way, and that everything is happening exactly as it should. When you free yourself from attachment, you make space for your vision to unfold with ease and grace. It's important to remember that every vision has its own appointed hour. It will come to you when the time is right, when you are ready to receive it, and when all the pieces are in place. Trust the process, and don't rush it. When you allow things to unfold in divine timing, you will be amazed at the magic that happens in your life. So, I ask you to take a deep breath, relax, and know that your vision is already on its way to you. Trust in the appointed hour. Trust that it will come at the perfect time, and that when it does, you will be ready to receive it with open arms. Let go of any doubts or fears, and simply trust that the universe is working in your favor. Your vision is on its way, and the appointed hour is drawing near. In closing, I want to remind you to continue believing in the power of divine timing. Your vision is already on its way, and it's waiting for the right moment to unfold. The appointed hour will come when you least expect it. Trust the process, stay patient, and keep your faith alive. Your dreams are closer than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that will keep you inspired and motivated. Stay tuned for more videos and keep working on your vision. Your appointed hour is on its way.